So the interval, open interval AB will be minus infinity to B, intersection A to infinity. Random measurable ആണ്. So therefore the intersection of, so if E1 and E2 are measurable, then E1 intersection E2 is also measurable. So therefore we can also conclude that AB is measurable. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ open sets എല്ലാം consider ചെയ്തു. So A to infinity, open intervals എല്ലാം consider ചെയ്തു. So the interval A to infinity, then minus infinity to A, and the open interval of the form A to B. So all types of the open interval are measurable. Now let us show that every open set is also measurable. As we know, every open set can be expressed as a union of open intervals. So every open set will be a countable union of open intervals. So again, countable union of open intervals will be open intervals will be again measurable. So therefore we can conclude that every open set is also measurable. So M is a sigma algebra containing all open intervals, and we know that any open set can be expressed as countable union of open intervals. So എല്ലാ intervals measurable ആയതുകൊണ്ട് countable union of open intervals measurable ആയിരിക്കും. So therefore every open set is measurable. So M is a sigma algebra which is containing all the open sets. പിന്നെ നമ്മൾ Borel set describe ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്ന Borel set is defined as the smallest sigma algebra containing all the open sets. Now we have shown that M is a sigma algebra containing all open sets. So M is a collection of measurable sets, so all open sets are measurable. So M is a sigma algebra which is containing all open sets. So since script B is the smallest sigma algebra containing all the open sets, so we will get B belongs to M. So B will be contained in M. So that means every Borel set will be contained in the set of all measurable sets. So every Borel set will be measurable from this equation 4. So we can conclude that every Borel set is measurable. Along with this we can get the two results also. അതായത് എല്ലാ open sets measurable ആയിരിക്കും, എല്ലാ closed sets measurable ആയിരിക്കും. കാരണം script B actually contains all the open sets. So script B is measurable. അതുകൊണ്ട് എല്ലാ open sets measurable ആയിരിക്കും. അതുപോലെ B contains all the open sets. Since B is algebra, it contains all the closed sets also. Open set in the complement എല്ലാം closed set ആയിരിക്കും. So again the complements are also measurable. So all the closed sets also will be measurable. So that gives us the result. Every open set and every closed set is Borel set, and they will be measurable. So that completes the proof that every Borel set is measurable.